If you've been seeing those aesthetic ads for Charmlry jewelry all over your feed and wondering, okay, but is charmlry.com actually legit or just another pretty scam? Then stick around, because this review breaks down everything you need to know before buying. Charmlry definitely looks charming on the surface sentimental pieces. Custom necklaces, personalized keychains, but looks aren't enough when it comes to online shopping. So here's what stood out. The domain was created back in August 2023, which means the site has been around for over a year, giving it a little more credibility than those pop-up scam sites that vanish in weeks. They also maintain active social media accounts with regular posts and visible engagement, something most scam stores don't bother with. The product range is wide, covering custom jewelry and personalized gifts, which explains why people are drawn to the emotional and creative designs. Their contact info is clearly listed too, including a physical address and email, and that's at least a good sign of transparency. On the flip side, being around for a year doesn't automatically guarantee trustworthiness, and attractive social media pages can still be curated to look legit. So it's important not to rely solely on appearances. Customer opinions online are mixed, with some shoppers liking the sentimental concept, while others feel the quality and delivery times vary. So overall, Charmlry jewelry sits in that middle zone, not an obvious scam, but also not a store you should blindly trust without doing your own research. If you're thinking of ordering, just be sure to check recent reviews, look at customer photos, and decide whether the personalized style is worth the risk for you.